Rising fuel prices and climate change are the main causes of the shifting trend towards electric vehicles and hybrid cars. Hybrid cars are the best alternative for users who want the performance of gasoline engine vehicles and the efficiency of electric cars at the same time. Although electric vehicles and hybrid cars may save fuel and maintenance costs in the long term, however, their initial cost of purchase is still high. Not all hybrid cars are hyper expensive, and the good news is, there are new hybrid car models available in the market that are affordable to buy in 2023. Join us today as we have discovered some of the latest hybrid car models for you. These cars are not only affordable to buy, but come with exciting features that you will love to drive in 2023. Number 10. Hyundai Tucson Hybrid. Hyundai Tucson Hybrid is an all-purpose hybrid SUV with a matchless design and features. With a price starting at $29,750, Hyundai has again given a breakthrough combination in design, technology, and safety. Hyundai Tucson Hybrid Blue Trim model is the only car on the list giving 38 miles per gallon in city, highway, and combined drive. Its 1.6-liter turbocharged GDI 4-cylinder hybrid engine gives excellent performance on and off the road. With a combined hybrid system horsepower of 226 horsepower, it provides a powerful torque of 195 foot-pounds. Tucson Hybrid's 2,000 pounds of towing capacity with trailer brakes make this car an ideal choice for DIY lovers. With the H-Track all-wheel drive option, users can enjoy a safari ride in the jungle. Tucson Hybrid Shift-by-Wire (SBW) option gives users the power switch park, drive, reverse, and neutral on the push of a button. With its BlueLink connected car system, the driver never misses any connectivity on the go. Hyundai Tucson Hybrid comes with impressive safety features such as blind spot collision avoidance assist (BCA), smart cruise control (SCC) with stop and go, and traction control system, to name a few. With plenty of features, Hyundai Tucson Hybrid comes out ahead of the competition at an affordable price for an SUV. Number 9. Toyota Prius Prime. Prius Prime is a plug-in hybrid car from Toyota launched in 2017. With a price starting from $28,770, Toyota Prius Prime is a combination of style and performance. With a 6.2 kilowatt battery pack, Prius Prime delivers an impressive electric-only range of 25 miles with speed up to 84 miles per hour, enough for daily commutes. When the charge runs low, Prius Prime will continue to run in an efficient hybrid mode with an EPA estimate of 54 miles per gallon. Its lightweight materials and optimized plug-in hybrid vehicle system all work together to give Prius Prime an EPA estimated 133 miles per gallon. This impressive efficiency makes Prime a good choice for fuel-conscious buyers. Don't worry about its charging. The all-new Prius Prime comes with a 3.3 kilowatt onboard charger, giving a quick and fast plug-in charge. The battery can be recharged in either about 5.5 hours at a 120-volt outlet or in just about 2 hours at a 240-volt outlet. Whether you want real-time traffic alerts, make and receive phone calls, or listen to your favorite songs, its Android Auto lets you seamlessly connect with your smartphone. Toyota Prius Prime has a magnificent exterior. It features visually striking quad LED projector headlights and LED taillights that not only produce a brighter light, but also consume less energy. Its rear hatch, made of carbon fiber reinforced polymer, enhances durability while still being lightweight. Powered by advanced safety features such as Toyota Safety Sense 2.0, TSS 2.0, Intelligent Parking Assist, IPA, and Blind Spot Monitor, BSM to name a few, the all-new Toyota Prius Prime is a perfect car for the whole family. Number 8. Toyota Camry Hybrid. The Toyota Camry Hybrid model is a combination of iconic style and brilliant performance. With a price starting at $27,980, the Camry Hybrid car is an excellent choice for a sporty sedan. Camry's LE Hybrid trim model delivers a hybrid system net power of 208 horsepower and a torque of 149 foot-pounds that provides 51 miles per gallon of fuel efficiency. Its 4-mode drive switch offers EV, Eco, Normal, and Sport drives to cater for the needs of a wider customer base. Camry Hybrid's powerful shape and captivating design lag behind all other family sedan cars in the market. Sweeping curves and bevel surfaces complement its muscular build. Camry Hybrid's stylish LED headlights integrated LED daytime running lights (DRL) add a distinctive look to the car exterior. The interior is exclusively crafted with leather-trimmed 8-way power-adjustable front seats and lumbar support, making every journey an unforgettable drive. Toyota's never compromised on safety motto adds versatility to Camry Hybrid cars. Its pre-collision system with pedestrian detection avoids collisions. Camry Hybrid is intended for full-speed range drive and highway use. Its dynamic radar cruise control (DRCC) and available full-speed range (DRCC) allow driving at a preset speed. Thanks to Toyota's build quality, it offers a 10-year, 150,000 miles hybrid battery warranty. Car enthusiasts will love its drive with powerful features. Number 7. Hyundai Sonata Hybrid. Hyundai Sonata Hybrid car is a valuable addition to the sedan line of the series by Hyundai. Sonata Hybrid car is an exclusively designed car for an urban family life. From entry-level blue trim to premium limited trim, Sonata Hybrid is a blend of exquisite and boldness. And above all, Sonata Hybrid surpassed its competitors with an attractive price starting at $27,950. Sonata Hybrid's popular blue trim model delivers a combined mileage of up to 52 miles per gallon, EPA estimated. A sleek exterior, active air flap, and rear spoiler improve aerodynamics and outmatch Honda Accord Hybrid with a 0.24 coefficient of drag. Sonata Hybrid is a fun-to-drive car. Its 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter hybrid engine delivers combined power of 192 horsepower. Thanks to its 39-kilowatt electric motor that adds to give a combined torque of 290 foot-pounds. With Hyundai Digital Key, unlock the doors and start the engine from an Android smartphone, and BlueLink connected car system will uplift your lifestyle. Hyundai's advanced safety features, forward collision avoidance assist with pedestrian detection, FCA, PED, blind spot collision avoidance assist, BCA, and remote smart parking assist, RSPA. All these and lots more in an affordable package make Hyundai Sonata Hybrid car a matchless companion in the sedan. Number 6. Kia Sportage Hybrid. Kia Sportage Hybrid is a newly launched SUV from Kia at a much more affordable price starting at $27,290 for an SUV category. Sportage Hybrid is a compact crossover possessing an upscale appearance and charming driving dynamics. Given the best-in-class 227 horsepower of turbocharged hybrid powertrain and a powerful 258 foot-pound of torque available at 1500 RPM, the Kia Sportage delivers fuel economy of up to 43 miles per gallon combined and over 500 miles of driving range. An active all-wheel drive system with 4 modes enhances the thrilling experience during the off-road drive. Sportage Hybrid has distinct LED headlights and taillights for style and enhanced visibility. Kia Sportage Hybrid has a truly spacious cabin with a best-in-class cargo room and rear seating legroom. Comes with heated and ventilated front seats and heated steering wheel for a premium luxury ride. An SUV with all advanced safety features such as 360-degree surround view monitor, blind spot view monitor, and standard auto emergency braking technology. The all-new Kia Sportage Hybrid beats other SUV category cars in the market in terms of price and features. Number 5. Kia Niro Hybrid. The all-new Niro Hybrid is Kia's smallest SUV crossover car that provides versatility and style in a practical petite package. And its hybrid powertrain gives this car an edge over its competitors. And guess what? All these exciting features come at an exciting price starting at $26,490. Niro Hybrid has a parallel hybrid system that pairs an efficient 1.6-liter gasoline engine with an electric motor to deliver superb power of 139 horsepower and 195 foot-pounds of torque. Its combined EPA estimated 53 miles per gallon fuel economy with 588 miles of range is ideal for traveling on and off the road, as well as long highway drives. Kia Niro comes with an improved second-generation 6-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission system that shifts gears quickly for seamless acceleration. The Niro Hybrid takes ahead with a spacious cabin. It has 41.5 inches of front and 39.8 inches of rear legroom so you can ride comfortably. With 63.7 cubic feet of ample cargo space, it makes this car ideal for large families. Kia Niro Hybrid offers unique safety features such as enhanced auto emergency braking technology with pedestrian, cyclist, and junction turning technology. Thanks to Kia's 10-year, 100,000 miles industry-leading battery and powertrain warranty, and it all comes with a price that distinguishes Niro Hybrid from competitors. Number 4. Honda Accord Hybrid. The Honda Accord Hybrid is a mid-sized sedan hybrid car from Honda with prices starting at $26,250. With a robust hybrid powertrain and increased fuel efficiency, the all-new Accord Hybrid is a fun-to-drive car in 2023. With a combined EPA estimate of 48 miles per gallon and electrifying driving dynamics, the Accord Hybrid is an ingenious fusion of efficiency and performance. A 212 horsepower hybrid powertrain is possible with dual electric motors paired with an e-CVT engine. The all-new Accord Hybrid has featured innovative and cutting-edge technology that delivers excellent driving performance. With a stunning exterior accompanied by ample cabin space, the all-new Honda Accord Hybrid is a smart choice for car enthusiasts. Number 3. Hyundai Elantra Hybrid. The all-new Elantra hybrid car is developed by Hyundai in line with the company's vision to achieve carbon neutrality by 2045. Hyundai takes pride in developing next-gen transportation platforms by adopting green energy innovation. With a price starting at $24,400, Elantra Hybrid gives a combined EPA estimate of 54 miles per gallon, an equivalent of the Toyota Prius Prime, but at an attractive price. On a performance level, Hyundai Elantra is not less than any top sedan car. Its 1.6-liter GDI 4-cylinder hybrid powertrain delivers 139 horsepower of combined driving power, enough to drive comfortably within the city or on highways. Elantra's interior gives a feeling of comfort and luxury at the same time. The car is accompanied by digital dual screens, a high-res 10.25-inch touchscreen with navigation, and a 10.25-inch fully digital instrument dashboard. Both screens are placed in a single integrated panel to keep your focus on driving. With advanced safety features such as Smart Cruise Control (SCC) and Blind Spot Collision Avoidance (BSA), the Hyundai is a perfect family car at an affordable price. Number 2. Toyota Corolla Hybrid. Toyota Corolla Hybrid comes as an affordable and attractive car that comes with sporty looks and advanced safety features. With a price starting at $24,050, the all-new Corolla Hybrid continues to be a popular choice, especially among shoppers who prioritize style and safety. Toyota Corolla Hybrid comes with LE trim equipped with 1.8-liter 4-cylinder eCVT front-wheel drive (FWD). It delivers 134 horsepower and 156 foot-pounds of torque. With up to an EPA estimated 50 combined miles per gallon, you can go farther in everything you do. For a more thrilling drive, activate the Corolla Hybrid Sport Mode to improve the throttle response. Its soft-touch, spacious interior and piano black accents provide passengers with premium comfort. Corolla Hybrid's 8-inch touchscreen display and 7-inch fully digital gauge cluster dashboard bring safety alerts, vehicle health information, and more in front of the driver. Toyota Corolla Hybrid offers advanced safety features such as pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, full-speed range dynamic radar cruise control, automatic high beams, and lane departure alert with steering assist. It comes with 10 airbags and a patent star safety system, making the Toyota Corolla Hybrid car an excellent choice at a much more affordable price. Number 1. Ford Maverick. Ford has revived its Maverick name with the launch of Ford Maverick, which joins its new class of small pickup trucks into the lineup below the midsize Ranger. With a price starting at $22,195, Ford Maverick is a versatile, practical, and fun-to-drive car for car enthusiasts. Ford Maverick is designed as a flexible truck that fits the lifestyle of residential and commercial users. With a seating capacity of 5 persons and a payload of 1,500 pounds, Maverick is a perfect car for navigating a busy city or escaping it. Maverick's standard 2.5-liter full hybrid powertrain is the only pickup that stands out with 500 miles of range on a single tank of gas. Its XL trim delivers 191 horsepower of combined power and 155 foot-pounds of torque. With EPA's combined fuel economy of 37 miles per gallon, its hybrid powertrain gives 0 to 60 mile per hour acceleration in 7.7 seconds. Maverick Ford Pass app keeps always updated on and off the road. Maverick is built for tough terrains and tested under extreme climates. 14,000 altitude test at Pikes Peak, Colorado, 120 Fahrenheit heat of Arizona, and negative 40 degrees cold of Manitoba, Canada. Available with the newest safety features such as pre-collision assist with automatic emergency braking and BLIS, blind spot information system, the all-new Ford Maverick is an excellent choice for performance lovers at a much more affordable price.